on your current podcast that you guys do together, I'm going to listen to it with you.
Okay. I was going to say too, I guess another thing as well as like the coaching would probably be more primarily focused on the mindset versus the actual like functioning running of a business.
Okay. Best way to listen would probably be for me to share my computer's screen and sound like this, and then click here.
I'm going to go ahead and mute so you don't have any feedback.
A mogul is considered a person of great wealth, power, and influence. They just think differently. And if you'd like to become a mogul yourself, you need to think differently as well. You're listening to Mogul Mentality, hosted by Devin Hubbard and Jesse Fisco. As owners and operators of several successful businesses, their obsession with creating wealth and helping others win inspired them to show you exactly how you can enter mogul status and create a new level of wealth, influence, and power for yourselves. You want to be a mogul? This is your show. Here's your hosts, Devin and Jesse.
Hey, Mogul Nation. Welcome back to this.
A couple things, if you don't mind me just giving you a little bit of feedback. The intro's long, and I'd like to help you shorten it. The way that the volume of music is clearly behind the voice is a great thing, and most people miss that. They put the music too loud. And so kudos for whoever mixed this. The person who does the intro is doing an intro at energy level of 7, and the energy level of the music is a 7+. You know, it's 5 is average and 10 is overboard. 10's too much. 5 is average. 1 is, 4 is below average. It's boring. It's slow. It doesn't sound that good. It makes it sound like you're bored and that the topic is boring and that we shouldn't listen because you don't care. So we don't care. If it was that low, this guy's energy comes in at a 7. It's great. I love it. And the music's coming in at like a 7, 8, 9. The music's like really getting me to feel excited. And I think that's the energy you probably want. And then when you actually come in for the episode, you are 3 levels below. So you're coming in at a level 4, which is below average. And anything below a 6 is going to bore the audience. So you'll want to come in with a little bit more energy so that it's congruent with the music, so that it's congruent with the other person's energy, so that it's not like you were about to climax in whatever you want me to think, whatever you want to think. And then you just kind of, it goes away immediately. It's like build up. And then it's like, where did it go? What's happening? I'm not liking this. It doesn't feel comfortable. This isn't what I expected. And so the first 2 pieces of advice are, because the music being behind is great. Shorten the intro and then match and mirror the intro. Let's keep listening. And shorten the intro, match and mirror the intro. And if the music is not your own original music, then I'd like to change it. I'd like to make sure that I don't care if you have the rights to this. That doesn't help anything. Audio branding doesn't mean that you go to Pepsi and ask them if you can have the rights to use their logo. There's no reason to take somebody else's branding, to take some music that somebody else could be using, to take somebody else's visual logo or the audio logo. And the audio brand just needs to be something that's yours and just yours, not just something that you have the rights to, not just something that you spent $20 so that you could be the 90th person to also use the same exact piece. You want to be the only. And so if this music is not original to you and this one podcast, then I would like to pour into you to just have a composer, and I can help you with that for a great price. Have a composer just create something that has the same feel, the same energy as the music that you have here.